Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Bianco espresso machine. It comes to us, it was like leaking because of the vacuum release valve. It was leaking all the time, so it was like leaking and steaming from here, and it was giving like weird sound and not getting the water because of the water level sensor was like really dirty and was a little bit leaks. So I take it off, clean it up, reseal it back again, and replace the vacuum release valve. Then the machine was like full of scale, which is causes these problems. So it was needs tune up too. So I descale it multiple times and replace the group head gasket, shower screen, and made deep clean for the steam wand and for the water stuff. So let's go ahead and test it. Let's test the steam one first. This is perfect. And the hot water. That's great. And here is it. It works right away because the water level sensor probe is really clean now. So let's make an espresso shot on it. It's still a little bit tight because of the new group head gasket. It needs to be calibrated with the grinder. I'm using really fine grind coffee, so it takes a little bit more, but I'm gonna replace it and try to calibrate. It's on 10 bars now. Here is it and stable. I'll calibrate it and back, do another shot. Okay, back again with a different ground from the other grinder. So let's go ahead and test it again. Oops. That looks perfect. It looks making great shot. So I stop it on 35 in 35 seconds. It's really perfect shot with thick crema and really tasty. So thank you for watching.